Hi Renovators! So again, welcome to my page. I-discuss ko lang on how to start your house renovations. Or parang what are the steps to start your house renovations? So, let's go! So, if for step number one, if you're living in a village or subdivision, ganun, is ask your village admin, or if you're living in a townhouse, at least townhouse association admin. And if you're living on a barangay, ask your local barangay about your house renovations. So ayun, so for step number two is get a contractor like us for your house renovations. So yun. Then for step number three is choose a contractor for your house renovations. So ako, I'll prepare another episode on what are the guidelines to uh, choose a contractor. So sa next episode na lang yun. Uh, then for step number four is ask your contractors for plans or design of your house renovations. So, ayun. If your house renovation or improvement is you want second floor or upper deck, or papataasin nyo yung ano nyo, yung kumbaga from bungalow to two store, three story, ganon, is I suggest to have a design for yung tinatawag namin structural plan. So sa structural plan, ang mga structural engineer ang bakit kung sinasabing need nun? Kasi mostly is pag 2 story to 3 star, pag papataasin mo kasi ang bahay mo is usually uh, dapat ang structural engineer ang nagde-design niyan. At the same time is meron yung fina-follow na building code. So at the same time, pag sa atin kasi, pag nagpataas ka ng bahay, is usually hinihingan ng ano yung building permit, especially ng local government unit. So ayun, then step number 5 is forward the plans or designs, if you're living in a village, to your village admin. If you're living in a townhouse, or forward the plans or designs, and also the scope of works to your townhouse admin or village admin. If you're living in a barangay, of course forward them also para lang may copy sila. Pero mostly pag sa barangay kasi is, especially pag may papataasin, is go to your local government, yung city engineering office. So sila ang nagbibigay kasi ng building permit, hindi ang barangay. So mostly ano na lang sila, ang barangay is copy na lang sila. So ayun. Then for step number 6 is after you have forwarded them and the plans are approved, get a work permit from, if village admin, townhouse admin association. For barangay, get a permit from barangay. And also for building, or papataasin mo yung ano mo, is get a building permit from LGU City Engineering Office. So then step number 7, so start your house renovation. So ayun, so hopefully is makatulong ito, mga tips na ito na binigay ko is for the house renovation tips. If may further comments or questions, just message me or for some inquiries about it kasi itong mga diniscuss ko medyo na lang to kumbaga pinaka brief process lang para lang may guidelines kayo kahit pa paano. Kumbaga startup lang to kasi totoo lang ang mga house renovations, especially for the permits, is medyo matagal, maproseso. So itong mga binigay ko lang is parang pinaka summary na lang. So much better pa rin is get a contractor na professional, nakakaalam talaga ng mga procedures ng house renovations. So, ayun lang. So, hopefully nakatulong ako sa inyo sa mga renovation tips, especially for this episode na house renovation. Just follow me or subscribe and check our Facebook pages and social media pages. So, ayun. Bye!